The basic design of a gas water heater uses an insulated storage tank, usually cylindrical in shape, with a capacity between 30 and 80 gallons. Inside the tank is a steel coil that has one or more burners located below it. Water enters the tank on the top, then flows through the coils where it's heated by natural gas burners inside. When you turn on a hot water faucet, hot water is pushed out of the storage tank, which forces cold water into the bottom of the tank where it can be heated. A temperature and pressure relief valve allows excess pressure to escape from inside the tank if necessary. A drain valve and spigot are also attached to the bottom of the storage tank, so you can drain it and clean any sediment that may have accumulated over time. Hey guys, welcome back to Consumer Sherpa for our best gas water heater list. Before we get to it, here's a reminder to click the subscribe button to enjoy more informative videos like this one from our channel. You may also want to turn on the notification bell to get the news once we upload a new video. Now let's dive right in. Eccotemp FV112 LP Gas Tankless Water Heaters, best overall. The Eccotemp FV112 LP Liquid Propane Tankless Gas Water Heater is one of the hottest tankless water heaters on the market. With a sleek black modern design, it's made to look great in any home. With a 3.6 GPM flow rate, FV112 LP can supply 2 showers at the same time and comes with a horizontal vent kit for easy setup and installation. You'll be amazed at this machine, and you'll have the peace of mind with its safety features. With a capacity of 3.6 gallons per minute and a temperature range from 80 degrees to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, the compact design is the largest inside unit on the market. The Eccotemp FV112 LP Liquid Propane Forced Vent Tankless Water Heater is the largest indoor model of the Eccotemp Tankless line. Rated at an impressive 3.6 GPM, FV112 LP can meet all the hot water needs of a standard home or apartment with 1 or 2 bathrooms. And it can even supply hot water to multiple fixtures at the same time. It is perfect for a hand washing station at an outdoor gathering, doing laundry in your cabin or summer home, or even washing down your boat after a few days at sea. Don't be surprised when you find yourself falling in love with your home after installing the Eccotemp FV112 with free flow jet pump. This energy-efficient tankless water heater helps you save money while giving you endless hot water. Ideal for 1 to 2 bedroom homes, this appliance works well with low-flow plumbing fixtures. It can be installed in a variety of places, including garages and basements. The unit includes everything needed for installation, including a pre-installed thermal sensor replacement. All you need to do is connect the water and gas fittings and it's ready to go. This natural gas water heater features an easy control panel as well as an LED temperature display that allows you to control the temperature for the most demanding activities. And because it's tankless, you'll never run out of hot water again. Rheem G180 Water Heater, premium choice. Wind power is the future of energy sources, and this wind-powered water heater is leading that charge. The Wind Buster measures wind at 2 levels and manages the water temperature all at once. This is a must-have product to keep you in the future of energy. This Rheem Performance Platinum 50-gallon Power Vent Natural Gas Water Heater with a new high-efficiency blower has the power to deliver hot water faster than ever before. Its innovative design features a stainless steel secondary heat exchanger with wider, smoother waterways to maximize efficiency and extend product life. It's made of high-quality material for long-lasting life and dependability. Here, advanced features are packed into this innovative Rheem G180 commercial gas water heater. The unit features an architectural-grade powder coat finish for corrosion resistance, multi-flue design for efficient heat transfer and uniform heat distribution, and a wind-powered solution to reduce harmful emissions. The Rheem G180 Natural Gas Universal Commercial Water Heater is designed to fit in corners and flush against the wall for maximum installation flexibility. It comes with a 75,000 BTU per hour environmentally friendly low NOx burner that provides ample hot water for household and commercial usage. The G180 provides ample hot water for households with 5+ people. This unit also has piezo ignition, factory-installed temperature and pressure relief valve, and 3/4-inch water connectors. This model comes with a universal tank capacity of 100 gallons and is an excellent choice for replacement or new installations. It fits narrow spaces and can be used both interior and for exterior use. A.O. Smith GPVL 50 Gas Water Heater, best water heater for home. If you want the best water heater for your home, this is it. Really, this is one of the top-rated water heaters ever made. It provides a lot of features not offered on other models, and it has the highest efficiency ratings of any gas water heater in its size. This model is one of the best cheap gas water heaters, and it'll save you money over time by helping reduce your energy bill and keep your family nice and warm for years to come. The A.O. Smith Signature Select 50-gallon tall 9-year limited high-efficiency natural gas water heater is the best water heater for home. It has a 50-gallon tank and a 36,000 BTU gas burner, which provides 83 gallons of hot water in the first hour of use. The water heater also comes with a self-diagnostic system to find out whether there are any problems in the product or not. It comes with many other features, like external temperature control and wireless monitoring system to check the water level in the tank. The heater also features a 3-position rotatable blower outlet. DynaClean 2 dip tube optimizes inlet water pressure. State-of-the-art electronic gas control provides precise temperature control and efficient performance. The LED control light displays operation status too. Then there's the hot surface igniter for improved energy efficiency, fast ignition, and a 2-inch thick environmentally friendly foam insulation that minimizes heat loss for lower operating cost. The DynaClean 2 dip tube also prevents the buildup of lime and sediment and reducing potential hot water outages, while quiet operation saves on both energy and noise levels. The glass-lined tank, a node rod, and brass drain valve help prolong the life of your water heater for long-term reliability, so you can sleep peacefully knowing you can get ample clean water for hours. The GPVL50 is designed to fit in tight spaces. It offers an unprecedented combination of high efficiency, proven technology, and green thinking that is perfect for today's environmentally conscious homeowners. The unit also features a piezo ignition system that automatically lights the burner, turning on the unit without standing pilot lights. The GPVL50 water heater is compact and powerful, delivering up to 50 gallons of hot water per hour in a space-saving vertical design. Plus, it can be installed in tight locations where most standard-sized residential water heaters are hard to fit. The GPVL50 heater's efficiency operation will help keep energy costs down while providing clean, reliable hot water when you need it. It offers all the advantages of a natural gas hot water heater, plus high efficiency in a convenient package that is easy to install and maintain. That's all for today, guys. Making the selection can be pretty tedious, so we decided to simplify the process for you. Thanks for watching. Check the links in the description box for further information for any of the tools on our list of best gas water heater. Leave a comment in the comments section. We'd love to know your thoughts.